I can't speak. Yeah. What's new? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, we did a little bit of B-roll before we started today's video because I was just feeling like, okay, let me do some. Let me do some, and it was fun. I enjoyed just adding clips like that because I don't want it to just always be that all I come on this channel to do is to just talk about skincare. There is a life behind skincare, and the comments on my last life update video was so much it was so heartwarming. I'm so happy that you guys actually received my content really well. Thank you so much for watching that video. I spoke truly from the heart. All I wrote down was like topics that we're going to treat, okay, but all the other things, it came straight from my heart, and I just felt so seen and so well received. Please subscribe. Today we're going to be doing something really fun. It is fun because there are new ingredients in the skincare market that I've not been able to put you guys on, that I have been on, and I have tried it for 30 to 60 days now, and my skin has been glowing mercilessly. Like, I'm not even here to talk about all those things that you know in the past. No, I'm here to hook you up with the cream of the crop. Yes, the reason why you should be doing your morning skincare routine and following some of the tips that I'm going to advise you to follow in today's video is because the key goals that you should be achieving with your morning routine is to protect your skin from harmful sun exposure and from an aging sun exposure. You should also be giving your skin the nutrients that it needs to get through those 12 hours when you be doing all your errands up and down and all of that. Now, when it comes to your nighttime routine, what you should be trying to achieve with your nighttime routine is to repair your skin, replenish it, and of course add rejuvenating skin properties to your skin so it can tenaciously stand the test of time. By test of time, I mean the older you get, the more your life changes, you have kids, you are menstruating, whatnot, it is able to adapt to all those things because your nighttime routine has equipped your skin to tenaciously stand the test of time. Because somebody said, oh my god, Eniola, your skin has been really glowing. What is that new product that you've been using that you've not hooked us up with? It is not a new product. It is a goal. It is a key objective. And I like to always rant about this because some people say, yeah, you talk too much, just go straight to the point, this, that. I like to always talk like this because you would abuse a product if you don't know what it is used for. You would abuse a product if you are not using it correctly. So now that I've explained what each goal of the morning and the nighttime routine is, let me quickly focus on the 3 things that I mentioned under the nighttime, which is to repair your skin, to replenish it, and to rejuvenate it. To repair your skin means that if your skin barrier is weak, if it is lacking things to make it strong, you are going to start to add, you know, when your table is shaking, you want to start adding nails where it is meant to be nailed. You want to start looking at all the things that is not making your table stand strong. Oh, it needs polishing. You call your carpenter, polish this table for me, add nails to this, or you're trying to set up your lighting. You will screw it properly, you will tighten it. That is repairing. Skin repair, barrier repair, cushioning the acid mantle of your skin. Now, replenishing is adding the ingredients that the skin is lacking. Your skin barrier can be strong, your skin barrier can be tenacious, but it might not sufficiently, your skin might not sufficiently have all the ingredients that it needs to glow and to look beautiful, to look dewy. I'm not just talking bright and light, I'm talking full of life, full of radiance, and just ravishing to see and to eat and to devour for some of you. Yeah. Case in point. No more case in point. Anyways, now when it comes to rejuvenation is for my women who are already in their 35, 36, you've crossed that 25-year mark, and you want to start looking at things that you can subtly add to your routine to add anti-aging, something that boosts the youthful appearance of your skin, something that gives it that extra layer of, okay, I'm getting older, but I don't want it to show under my eyes. I don't want it to show as creasing. I don't want it to show on my forehead, and I don't want it to show around my smile lines or around my neck area. That is skin rejuvenation. You are going to do all these three things only at night, whereas in the morning, all you do in the morning is protection and strengthening. So if your routine is not like that, you've gotten it completely wrong. Now, when it comes to the ingredients that we're going to be working with in the night, as usual, the basic thing is that you are supposed to double cleanse. I don't care if you only use sunscreen, you didn't use sunscreen that morning, no matter how small, try to double cleanse at night. But in the morning, make sure that you are doing something that is a very light cleanser. And I showed you my cleanser in the B-roll of this video before we started. This particular product that I'm about to introduce to you guys, I've talked about it on my Instagram and on my TikTok, and it is the VT Cosmetics Redo Shot. It is the VT Cosmetics Redo Shot. They have it in different strengths. This segment of the video is not sponsored. The parts that they sponsored is on TikTok and is on Instagram. This product is actually good. That is why I am bringing it to you. And everything that I talk about is going to be linked in my description box. There are Amazon links. If you purchase from me, you are supporting my channel. Thank you very much. Now back to the video. The VT Cosmetics Redo Shot. Redo as in microneedling. Microneedling is so important. And I did not know how important it was until the weather here was about to change, and I was feeling like my skin was not giving what it was meant to give, and I needed something. I needed to get a facial done. So I called a facial clinic, and then they wanted to cut my head with price. Any small thing here, $200. We're gonna go an X-ray, and you're gonna see the esthetician. English. English here. The price is gonna be absolutely expensive. So guess what? I just told my manager that if you have any brand around the radar that has something that can help to mimic and give me the kind of results that microneedling, which was what I actually wanted to get done at the facial clinic, please, I will not mind. Enters the discussion, VT Redo Shot. Microneedling is just the skin's way. The esthetician is going to add needles and inject your face with tiny needles in different levels of power, 50, 100, 300, 700, 1,000, depending on how strong your skin is. And the aim of microneedling is just to ensure that your skin pores are open. Your skin is able to receive the actives that will come in the other steps of your routine. You see, all the times that we are using our skincare products, sometimes 9 out of 10 times, they just stay on the surface of our skin. They are not actually penetrating into our skin. But microneedling opens the pores of the skin, because once those needles enter the skin, collagen is synthesized, skin protein is synthesized, elastin is synthesized, your hyperpigmentation tends to heal faster, your skin is more youthful and radiant, because it's a process that just helps to stimulate blood circulation on the surface and in the dermal layer of your skin. And that is why at night, you want to do this at night after cleansing on dry skin. Microneedling is not suitable for breastfeeding mothers, pregnant women. Save all of that. Save all of that till when your baby comes and you're carrying your bundle of joy and all those things happen, and you are maybe 3 months after you've put to bed, you can then start to get your body back, get your skin back, all of that. But I will not advise microneedling for pregnant women. It's just my own personal preference. The next ingredient that I want to introduce into your routine that you've not been hearing about is PDRN from salmon DNA, and this is the Medicure PDRN Seca Toner. I also have it in a serum ampoule. I also have it in an essence-like kind of formulation. Do I have a message? Thank God, though, guys. Thank God, though. I've been trying to contact my manager all day. Thank you so much for getting on things. Anyways, so this is the Medicure PDRN toner, which is salmon DNA. This is that step of rejuvenation that I'm talking about, because you are trying to strengthen your skin, you are trying to improve the youthfulness, and you're also trying to give it new energy, new vigor. That is what you're trying to give your skin. So PDRN is going to offer regenerative properties to your skin, help to smoothen out your skin, make it plump and soft like a baby's bottom, and just really amplify the brightness. The reason why your skin is not bright is because you are not rejuvenating it. It is tired. Only the assistance is gone. You are not assisting your skin. That is why it is not bright. You are only brightening it using vitamin C, glutathione, kojisan. There is light complexion skin, and there is that skin is radiant and attractive and bright. This category is the one that I'm trying to help you to achieve. Now, when it comes to maintaining and repairing your skin, there is a skincare ingredient that comes into the picture, and that is NAD Bio Plus. And this skincare ingredient has been in the market around 2021-2022, but it just started gaining traction in 2024 and 2025. And ever since Numbuzin reached out to me, it has been in my skincare routine for a long time now, since the beginning of this year, and I have not regretted it, because you need something to repair your skin barrier and to just toughen your skin out. You know, when they say somebody is not resilient and tenacious, it's not their fault. They don't have all the necessary capabilities. Their capacity has not been enlarged in the way that they are supposed to be resilient. So when it comes to your skin, using NAD Bio Seal Lifting Essence from Numbuzin is giving your skin the capacity it needs to enlarge, to repair itself, to look at, oh, okay, this place, the barrier is bad, let's fix it. Oh, okay, your chin area, you're consistently having acne on that area, maybe because the barrier around that area is bad. NAD Plus is going to fix that. Oh, it's your forehead, NAD Plus is going to fix that. Next one is where you have your hyaluronic acid essence, your bifida filaments, and your galactomyces. These ones are very good for conditioning your skin and also for repairing your skin. Hyaluronic acid will always be a staple in my skincare routine because it is not going anywhere, because hyaluronic acid is one of the building blocks that the skin needs naturally on its own. The skin also produces it, but imagine that you are adding it to your skin is not going to be struggling. Itara to your koni láti fi glow. It will not be doing itara, it will be gara, mama shoulder part, because you are giving your skin exactly what it needs. For my audiences that don't understand Yoruba, I'm sorry, there are some things that your language is the only thing that can explain it. Is the only thing that can explain it. Now, bifida filament and galactomyces is going to smoothen your skin, and this thing works better at night. That is why I'm saying, okay, if you want to add hyaluronic acid or bifida filament, use it at night. You can also use it in the morning, but I just prefer to use it at night. When your skin barrier is bad, brightening will be hard. Gole work. When your skin barrier is weak and your acid mantle is compromised and your skin dermis is also having issues, if everything on your skin irritates you, sensitizes you, gives you a peppery sensation, brightening will be difficult. This is what all your skin enthusiasts are not telling you, and I have to tell you the truth. It will not work. But when your skin barrier is strong, when you are playing table tennis in a barricaded court, once that ball gets to the wall, it will bounce back. It will bounce back because there is tenacity. We have shoulder here, we have backing. What you are giving your skin with all the things that I've said is backing. Now, when it comes to brightening, you will now use glutathione. Yeah, this is the Medicube Vitamin C Capsule plus Glutathione Moisturizing Cream. This cream is rich. It's lovely on the skin. Like, I was looking at my face in the mirror yesterday and talking to some old white lady that was trying to attend to us at the mall, and she was just smiling to me. She didn't know when she said, "Do you have makeup on? You are so pretty." I'm like, you better get into it. You better, because this is what I'm using in my nighttime routine. Glutathione is best used at night. All your spot treatments with glutathione, with kojisan, kojic acid, kojic white, all those things, use it at night. Why I had to lay the foundation of all these ingredients for you at night. This is nighttime routine. In the morning, you will go in with your normal light gentle cleanser, and then you will go in with your hyaluronic acid simple lightweight toner. Morning, you don't need to do too much. At night, if you're not doing a lot at night, your skin is not going to stand the test of time, and I think I have overflowed that enough. Let's talk about morning routine now. So a lightweight toner in the morning is going to be really nice in the morning. Now in the morning, you can use anything as essence. I like to use the Numbuzin No. 3 by Filaments and Galactomyces skin softening serum in the morning as an essence, because it has a little bit of niacinamide, but I really like it because of that dewy tacky feeling that it gives my skin. Now next is where you have your vitamin C serum. Anyone works, either a vitamin concentrated serum or a vitamin C serum. This is a vitamin concentrated serum because I think the serum inside this, the vitamin inside this is actually L-ascorbic acid, which is really strong and potent for you to use during the daytime. Vitamin C is meant to be used during the daytime. Best used during the daytime, except if you have acne and you don't know, well, which one should I use, this is that, then you can use niacinamide and salicylic acid. But you don't have acne and you're trying to get bright skin, vitamin C is going to be your best bet. Last but not the least, you are then going to go in with beta-glucan moisturizer. A beta-glucan moisturizer. See, everybody is saying all sorts. This moisturizer is so nice. Beta-glucan is a skincare ingredient that has been popping in the K-beauty radar for a while now. It's just that before things get to the West, Omatisha already in Asia, but thank God it is finally here. And I'm thankful that Hyaluronic said, Carol, we like your contents, we're gonna send you some. So this is a PR gifted item. Now, beta-glucan is a more stable form of skin moisturizing agent than hyaluronic acid and ceramide. This one is 10 times more hydrating, 10 times more stable than your plain regular hyaluronic acid. So if you're the type of person that you're always on the hunt, my girls that are in Sweden, UK, US, it is currently fall season, you want to make sure that you're using something that would richly moisturize your skin, and this is where your beta-glucan moisturizer comes into the picture. I've been talking for a while now. 22 minutes of just talking. Like, now last but not the least, when it comes to your morning skincare routine, you are going to use a sunscreen that is very capable, that offers 2 universal protection from ultraviolet aging and ultraviolet burning rays. And that concludes your morning skincare routine and your nighttime skincare routine. I'm going to go head over to TikTok to film a quick video, but thank you so much for watching. Please give me a huge thumbs up if you ended up enjoying today's video, and I'm going to see you in the very next one. Bye.